Autonomous, Connected, Electric, and Shared, or ACES, is the revolutionary transformation of vehicle mobility driven by sophisticated technology. ACES vehicles can perform tasks to improve the safety of a vehicle operator by allowing the vehicle to make logic-based driving decisions. The term autonomous is associated with different levels of human involvement to operate a vehicle. There are 6 levels of autonomy, with 0 being the lowest level and 5 being the highest level. Each level of autonomy uses different driver assistance features to reduce human involvement. Since the early 2000s, many vehicles that are produced include Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, which involves sensors and electronics to help guide a vehicle in motion and enhance vehicle safety. Since 2010, ADAS features such as parking sensors, blind spot alert, and rear-view cameras have become prevalent in vehicles. The progression of technology started with safety improvements and transitioned to connected vehicles that allow customers to use connectivity features when needed. Connected vehicles are vehicles that have the capability of communicating with pedestrians, other vehicles, and infrastructure, such as traffic lights. The interconnected communication to many devices or people, often referred to as vehicle-to-everything communication, is predicted to decrease accidents by 90%. Electric vehicles, or EV, primarily use electricity, which is generated by batteries or fuel cells to power the locomotion or mobility of a vehicle. Since 2010, EV technology has been increasing at a rapid pace with advanced battery technology to increase driving range and energy efficiency. With autonomous, connected, and electric vehicles emerging, shared vehicles are the next innovative concept. Shared vehicles are vehicles that allow companies and individuals to split ownership costs, which is a radical shift from individuals owning vehicles. Due to the pervasive use of smartphone apps for ride-sharing or car-sharing, and due to more remote work, shared vehicle services are becoming an increasing market, as many consumers do not need to own a personal vehicle in order to commute. The convergence of ACES technologies is providing safer, smarter, and more efficient transportation by decreasing energy consumption, increasing driver safety, reducing ownership costs, and improving the environment.